My video guide is dedicated to help you remove fake Windows support alerts and deceptive pop-ups that come from the site syndication file tag 455.ml. This is a deceptive site that may suddenly attack your Google Chrome and other browsers. The website indicates that it is somehow related to Windows Defender Security Center. But in reality, there is no connection between these pop-ups and Windows or Microsoft. These pop-ups are totally fake and deceptive. You shouldn't interact with them and you shouldn't trust their deceptive content. These pop-ups quote this fake Windows support number +1 877 303 2944, and if people mistakenly call this fake Windows support number, some online hackers may try to connect to the computer remotely and damage the system even more dramatically. Anyway, all these pop-ups are fake and you should not trust them. The only correct solution is to simply leave this page. Also, I recommend you to research your system, to research the control panel first of all, and check the list of programs that are suspicious. In case you find anything suspicious here, get rid of it. Finally, I recommend researching your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the program and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.